What's up guys, welcome back to my video. Today, I'm gonna get mending books, and yeah, I don't have my helmet because it despawned unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to get a few emeralds for that, and yeah, so I'm gonna be work on mending, so I can mend my elytra. So yeah, let's get right into that. So I'm gonna have to get my villagers and get an axe.
I got an axe.
What kind?
A stone one.
I'm gonna go to my villager guy instead. Actually, no, yeah, I'm gonna have yours. I'm doing work on my villagers, so I'm just gonna have one from Creeper instead. So, once I'm done being lagged, I'll go get it. We'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Kinda died, but still. Okay. Hey. I'm recording a little video. Yeah. So yeah, I was very lagged. So, where's my stuff, Creeper? Right around here.
Yeah, it was right there. I think it despawned.
Hey, Green. All my stuff despawned. Including the elytra. Yeah. Did not think I would do that today, guys. So I don't really have to do mending. I guess I will do something else. Like work on my villagers. Okay, guys, let's work on the villagers. Don't kill spiders. Okay, guys, I accidentally did it over in the corner again. But, yeah, I am gonna work on that on the other side. And, work on this as my sugarcane farm. But right now I got some villagers on that side, so gonna have to work on this first, and then I'll do that, and then I will just work on get my stuff back. So yeah, I have to do all that, and yeah, I did have 2 villagers, but then so I'm gonna have to breed 2 because few of them died. Because I didn't light that place up, and then 2 of them died by a zombie. So, yeah, pretty sad, but you know how it is. Anyway, I'm gonna do something kinda like that, but on that side. So, let's get right into it. Okay guys, I am lagged, but ever since Green put a mod on, it's been so laggy. So I don't know if it's either our internet or because of Green. FYI, Green is just our, not Green. James is still just our friend. If you hear that in the videos, he's just our friend. Okay guys, sorry about the lag, sorry about this, but Green did give me a elytra, and I got full diamond armor because he TP'd it because of the lag. But I'm gonna make cheers. How dare you, Green?
actually die from that?
I was low.
I just punched you off.
I was low.
Okay. I'm gonna work on my island.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Okay. So, where's the island gonna be? Oh, I'm gonna do one like that. Well, one like that over there. It would be so cool. I'm probably gonna do one more level, maybe. But anyway, that's out. Creeper. They are so rude. Oh yeah, comment down below if green should TP us netherite armor. Comment down below
Yes.
if you should. I want to see this happen.
Me too.
Okay, anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna build one like that. So I need moss blocks. So how you make it is like this. And like this. Boom. Got 23 because I ran out of moss blocks. Why'd you kill him, Green? Oh.
He took my iron.
No, I didn't.
Oh.
No, I didn't. No,
Well,
I
now I
didn't.
have it.
I did not. I didn't mean to.
Alright, sorry, I won't interrupt again.
Can you sleep?
Except I will say I'm on half a heart.
You were on half a heart?
I am.
Oh, you are. Thanks for letting us know. No, I'm kidding. I won't kill you. We won't kill you. Oh yeah, we wanna sub to us.
Green.
Sub to Hunter Diamond, Green Kid 1, and whatever.
Can you give me
What are you doing, Green?
I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna leave the group.
Okay.
So can you end the video if you're gonna forget?
No, I don't. But I did have a
A diamond one?
No, not diamond. Alright, I'm gonna take my lights off and put this on.
I can't see it.
Just saying.
Don't go. I think it's that one. Say it.
We'll be right back. Sorry, Green wanted me to. I mean, no, not Green. Creeper wanted me to do something. So, no, I'm back. So, yeah, I'm just gonna do this and see you guys here in a bit, I guess. Alright, guys, I'm back. This is what it looks like. Kinda got some villagers right there. That is GCNG's house. And I got an elytra, and I'm naming it Hunting Wings. So, yeah, I'm starting to get the villagers in. I need to breed some, so that's why those are in there. But, like, I need, like, to breed, like, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, breed, like, 1, 2, 3. No, breed 2 more times. And we'll be done. So yeah, we'll be done after I do that. So yeah, let me just put that on. Yeah. So yeah, those will be my sugar cane farm, I think. Yeah. So yeah, I'll be that. And I'm gonna work on the arena a bit. Let me go do that. Now that I got some parts for it. Yeah.
You want to
James is just our friend.
Hi guys.
Yeah, Creeper here. Creeper's in the room with me.
What's up?
So yeah, and this, where'd it go? This is gonna be where the cobblestone is. So,
If you're wondering where I am, I'm AFK.
he's AFKing. Yeah, at the Creeper farm.
I'll come in a minute.
Yeah, he'll show his Minecraft face. We aren't ready for the other face yet.
Yeah, we're not ready for all Lego things.
We're not ready to release our face. We will post it like in about a year or so. We want to go live as well.
I do want to go live, I think.
We all want to go live.
Doesn't it?
I mean, I kind of do want to go live, but if I make like one mess up, it's on YouTube.
It's on YouTube.
So that's the bad side to it. That's more likely why I don't want to do it. He's throwing chickens at me. Not at me, at Sagittarius' house. Wasn't that pretty cool?
Oh my gosh.
Whoosh.
Chickens everywhere.
I was lagged.
Let's see, I'm assuming that's a lot.
Ouch. That took some. Ouch.
I had to make him one.
That took a lot of damage. Too late, Creeper. Ouch.
We can both make him one.
Oh, there's a skeleton up here. I'm not. Oh, I almost died, guys. I almost died.
Good for your face.
Creeper's just being rude.
That's a joke, guys.
He's not that mean.
I know. You wanna see it? I know.
So yeah, we're building a lot of farms.
And guys,
Next
when
video,
we get a fire sword, we're gonna go get a beacon.
Yeah, we're gonna go get a beacon. So yeah, I will post a video about that, and I will post a video about this arena. I will post a video. Ooh, I could post a video about all sorts of things. Okay, so I'm gonna post a video about tour around free SMP, so go check out that video. How does this pathway look? Dang, I cannot wait. Oh, I need to get mending books. That would probably be my next video. Getting about a bunch of mending books. Oh, I heard Creeper. Where's Creeper though? I see him. Yo, I'm at half a heart.
You drowned?
Yes, no, I died. I was slain by a drown, but I didn't necessarily drown.